Hello everybody, welcome back. We have section 2. We're going to be talking about erosional landforms. So okay, this is where glaciers are carving something out, taking material away from where it originally is. So what are we talking about here? We're talking about weathering and erosion caused by glacier, which results in these sorts of landforms. Cirques, which we talked about a little bit already, tarns, horns, arêtes, glacial striations, and U-shaped valleys. So this diagram here, I want to go back into the PDF of this PowerPoint and take a look, studying for test or anything else. This has everything that we're going to cover for this lecture, pretty much. So first, cirques. Talked about this a little bit already. You have this sort of bowl-shaped erosional landform as a result of glaciers, which come down from the mountains. But not everything here is the cirque. The cirque is this part on the outside, right? The sort of amphitheater shape outside ring around here. And this little thing in the middle, lake, is called a tarn. So you have a cirque, which results in a tarn. Right? I think that if this is a stadium, we've got all of the fans and spectators out here, bleachers. Then over here, we have the actual field itself, which is the tarn. We have a horn. So this is a mountain which had cirques on all sides of it, carved out. This side over here, carved out the backside there, carved out this side here, and the result is this really, really sharp horn-shaped body of rock. You can have something called an arête. So you see here we have these valley glaciers. There's one here, there's valley glacier here, valley glacier here, and in the middle are these very, very sharp, steep, sort of spined ridges. These are the arêtes, which separates either cirques or, in this case, are glacial valleys. You also have striations. So glaciers are really, really extremely heavy things, and as they move over the ground surface, they actually carve lines, striations, into the rock itself. See these parallel, lots of them, little scratches, some of them pretty deep, too deep scratches inside of the rock surface. Well, even if you knew nothing else about the area, you come up and you see a rock like this, you identify these striations, and you know that there was glacial activity involved which just passed over this rock. Finally, you have these U-shaped valleys, right? Very much a U shape. You can see these highlighted here. So the contrast is to something that is a river valley. And you get a difference. River valley is very much a V shape, going to be a lot steeper, as opposed to the glacial valleys, which are more of a U shape. So river valleys are V-shaped. There's a V in river, you might remember it that way. Glacial valleys are going to be U-shaped, more like a bowl. So this is all for our erosional landforms. Next section, we're going to talk about depositional landforms. So not what the glaciers are carving out or taking away, but what do they deposit or leave behind. See you then.